Alright, welcome back. So in today's topic we will see how to use HTML video and audio. So in most of the sites you will see a nice videos playing in the web page, like YouTube. You can see in the YouTube we see a lot of videos. So similarly in our own web page we will try to insert videos. So in the previous sessions we have seen how to insert an image, and now we will see how to insert video and audio. So to insert a video we need to use video element. So inside video element we need to use source. So let's go to the practical. Alright, so here I'm having a new page. Let me copy my template. So template is this, copy here, 1 second. Alright, so copy here, a new page, and let me save this. I'm saving in examples folder. I'll name it as video demo.html. So I will give the title as video. Let's insert some heading here. This is video demo. Alright, so now let's see how to insert the video. So to insert the video we need to use video element. So we need to use video element. Then after inside video we need to use source element. We need to use source element. So what is source? Like the video should be available inside the current folder. What is current folder? Examples. Okay, what is current folder? Examples. So let me open my examples folder. Here in the HTML I have examples. So here I have one video called rain.mp4. What is the video name? It is rain.mp4. So this video we are going to insert in our page. So what we'll do, source is equal to rain.mp4. So it can be mp4, it can be avg. There are different video formats. So now I'm saying you can save like this, and then let's see what is the output of this page. Let's see what, yeah. So now we can see it is loading as a video, but if you see the difference, it is an image because it is not showing the controls. So if you say an attribute called controls, you can see that in the video we are getting some options here, right? We are getting some options to play the video. So now we can see a video is loaded. Okay, this is the title and this is the video. So now we will see what is audio, right? How to insert an audio inside a page. mp4 indicates video, mp3 indicates audio. So let's copy this here directly, okay, and go back to the page. I'm creating a break element here. I'm creating a break element and then insert the audio. So for audio I'm using same audio element. I'm giving controls and source equal to let's see what is the file we have in our page. Let's say go back to our folder, examples folder, and let's see if we have any audio in this. Okay, I have song.mp3. so what I'll do, I'll go here, song.mp3. so now you should be able to see that page, and page has audio option. So if you click on this, let's see, maybe put more break elements. Okay, so here okay, there is a typo here, double quotes is wrong. You can say mp3 mpeg, save this, refresh. So now you can see play button. Okay, so this is how we can insert audio and video elements. Thanks for watching.